Thank you very much. Bonsoir, madame. Bonsoir, monsieur. Ah, Liam Tigre. OK, allez. Tout le monde, allez, reste. Allez, allez, tout de suite, allez. En place. Good boy, sit down there. 20, there's a good boy. There you go, Peter, there's a good boy. Engelbert, 20, there's a good boy. Harry on the top. Harry, so turn around. Right, Syria. Up, fine, you made it. Come on, that's fun. Thank you very much. Hey, Jules Loiseau, compliment. Encore compliment. Grand applaudissement. Compliment. Come on. Je donne pas quand je suis ici. OK. Jules Loiseau avait un nom, un moment. Come on. Peter, ici, Peter, allez, Peter de Italia. OK. Come on. Harold, boy, Harold de Allemagne, Harold. Maurice de Paris. Ah, Maurice, merci beaucoup. Teddy. Ça c'est de Teddy. Oh, sautez. Teddy, sautez. Allez, sautez. Teddy, sautez. Excusez-moi. Bam. Allez, hop. Ouais, merci. Attention. Sit. Oh, Attention, monsieur. Excusez-moi. OK, fest. C'est très bien. Hop, voilà. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Sit down. Teddy, there's a good boy. No problems. Teddy, ici, Teddy. Merci beaucoup, Teddy. Ça, c'est Teddy de Angleterre. En place, good boy. Sit down. There's a good boy. Sit still. Wait a minute. My mates. Peter. Sable. No, Peter. Harold, quickly, Harold. Mercy. No, pas maintenant, en place. OK, c'est ça. Non, pas maintenant, restez là. Non, pas maintenant, restez là. OK, Peter, restez là. OK, go. There's a good boy. Up, fine, good boy. Get it going. That's up, yeah, good boy. Allez, good boy. Allez, good boy, one more. Très bien. Un, deux, et trois, voilà. Thank you very much indeed. Merci beaucoup. Now, et maintenant, mesdames et messieurs, non, ça c'est le fini, Jean-Claude. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Harold. Non, ça suffit, hein. Sit down. Non, maman, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? En place, sit down. Non, Jean-Claude, ça c'est fini. Ready? Excusez-moi. Non. Tournez. That's what, turn around, son. C'est très bien. Applaudissements, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much. Je suis le papa. Yeah, well, je suis le chef de Peruche. Jean-Claude, allez. Jean-Claude de Paris. Jean-Claude, hop, fine. Hop, great stuff. Compliment. Merci beaucoup. En place. Harry. Ici, Harry. Harry, tout de suite. Harry, hop, pull, hop, good hand. Hop, pull, hop, pull, hop, voilà. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Pleasure. Vous êtes le meilleur public nous avons ce soir. Là. C'est bien. Wait a minute. Come on. Maurice, s'il vous plaît. Tout de suite, Maurice. Peter. Good boy, sit. Stable, Peter. Sit still. Come on. Harry. Teddy. Reste là. There we go, this is right. Up, Maurice. Up, one. Good. That's fine, good boy. Up, fine, up. Voila. Yeah. Down. Good boy. Boy, 20, s'il vous plaît. Merci. Pete, you realize you're living today. I'm happy to say, in the good old bad old days. Maurice, embrasse-moi. Tu vas encore manger le lait. The old bad old days. Come on, Sam. Tout le monde, applaudissements. Way back when, whoa, I'd rather stay right here with the cold days than go through that. Singing me out or you win, you lose or you win in the good old bad. That's fine. Type of the play. Anyway, good boy. We're living on time. Allez, tout de suite, monsieur, allez. Allez, marchez, allez, marchez, allez, marchez, allez, allez, keep up here. One, there's a Maurice going. Up one. Up. Yeah. I'm happy to sit in the good old bad old days. Allez, Maurice, allez, go on, allez. Come on, Freddie, hop. Ready? There's a good boy, sit down. Sit out the ladder. Keep going. C'est très bien. Merci beaucoup. All right, sit. Hey, Boris, c'est fini. Come sit. Ici, à place. Hey! Freddy, hop. Allez, en place. Non. Hey, Freddy. Ça suffit, allez. Allez, en place. Sit. No, man. Come here, son. There's a good boy. Come on. Quickly. Ah, I got you this time. No. Well, one touch. Up. Francis, up one. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Nevertheless, I ain't got to confess about the good old bad old day. Living today, I'm happy to say, in the good old bad old day. Wait a minute. Freddie Halfpenny. Écoute. Freddie Halfpenny, écoute. Pas de soir. C'est le camion, hein, la voiture. Madame et monsieur, maintenant, madame et monsieur. C'est un fou, hein? C'est stupide. Wait a minute. Freddie Halfpenny, s'il vous plaît. Pas de soir. Sit on the car. Watch for the gun. Freddie Halfpenny, sit. Right, sit. No. Okay, ça suffit, hein? Ça suffit. Make them laugh. Look. Quand je dis sit on the car, you sit on. Hi! Let's get some. Everybody, come on. Come on, Messina, come on. Make them laugh. Peter. Allez, Peter, Renee, here comes the shit. Head it. Come on. Up, right, go! Francis, careful. That's one. Up, high. Yeah. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Prenez. Quand je dis 1, 2, 3, va t'asseoir, c'est la boîte, ok? Quand je dis 1, 2, 3, allons, Losky. Allez, go quick. Step here. Up.